talaga sa loob. Pero ginawa talaga nila yan dahil lang po kayo. Pero dahil game na game kayo sa dares natin, eh natitingnan natin kung game na game pa rin kayo at gaano kayo kagaling kapag 18 na ang kasama nyo. Kanina, nag-randomize kami, pumili kami ng mga lucky 18 and we will be playing with them for the first game. So, Ninang Duncan, shall we call in the first batch of participants? Na napili kanina via our randomizer to join us on stage for our first game. Andito na sila! Hello!
Welcome to... Ay, wow!
Hello po! So, this will be a partner game. Okay? So, malalaman natin yung partners nyo in just a bit. We have a Dunkin' cup or Dunkin' bucket here. Yes? And pipili po kayo kung anong number. Okay? So, ito po ang inyo. Please choose one number. Choose one number po. Yes. Kayo rin, pakita niyo yung numbers ninyo. Alright? So, if, for example, Justin gets 1. Kung sinong nakakuha ng 1 dito, yun yung partner, Justin. Okay. So, simulan natin. Pablo, what's your number?
Number 5.
5. Sinong 5 po? Kayo po, okay. Pablo. Josh, what's your number?
Alam po.
May clubs kasi. Ken, tulong mo muna si Josh.
Number 2.
2. Ah!
Hindi pa sila.
BBQ. Okay, next, Stel.
Number 4.
4. Ay, 4. Ken.
Number 3.
3. And of course, Justin.
Number 1.
Alright, madali lang po guys. Listen up for the mechanics. Okay, all you have to do is pay very close attention to what we will be flashing on screen. Kasi ipa-flash namin for 5 seconds only. Yung kailangan ng tandaan, memory game ito. Okay? So, Ninang Duncan prepared a special Thanksgiving box made exclusively for the celebration for each pair. So, each box has 8 donuts inside. So, guys, tumapat na kayo sa kanya-kanya yung Thanksgiving box. Tapat na kayo sa mga box ninyo. Okay? And you have to arrange the donuts inside the box exactly as what will be shown on screen. And you only have 1 minute to do that. Okay? Maliwanag po, malinaw ang ating mechanics. Okay? So you can wear your gloves now. Sige, please wear your gloves para malinis po ang ating pag-arrange sa ating Thanksgiving box. The fastest pair who will get the correct order and form a heart. Guys, pag nagawa nyo, form a heart with your pair. Tapos kailangan nyo sigaw, pasalubong ng bayan! Okay? So, unang mag-heart, tapos pasalubong ng bayan. Okay? Kuha nyo dyan. Okay. So, if no one gets the correct order, the pair closest will win. If, kunwari, may nag-heart na, huwag kayong titigil kasi baka mali yung order nila, we will go to the second best. Okay? Now, for the prize, our winner shall take home Dunkin' Premium items and an exclusive photo with SB19 right here on stage. So, isisigaw pasalubong ng bayan. If everyone's ready, let's put 1 minute on the clock. Everybody face the screen. Let's go. Ready, set, go. 5 seconds left. And that is it. All right, go, 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 guys. You have 1 minute to rearrange the Thanksgiving box. Ipapasok ko sa box, ipapasok for 1 is correct, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Tama!
6, 7, 8. Ang galing! Congratulations! What's your name? Abby. Abby, ikaw ang nanalo. But thank you dun sa mga other players natin. May good news ako sa inyo dahil kayo ang mag-uuwi ng pasalubong na yan. So sa inyo na yan, yan yung consolation prize ninyo. So that is yours. The Thanksgiving box is yours. And for you, Abby, meron kang Dunkin' premium items or premium Dunkin' items. And yun nga, meron kang photo with SB19. So, let's get the premium Dunkin' items. Pakita natin kung ano ba yung laman for Abby. Ay! Wait, ano ba to? Okay. Pero syempre yan din, iuwi mo rin yan, Abby.
Actually, yung ganda ng strategy ni Abby.
Ano?
Sabi niya sa akin, nung tinitignan namin yung photo, sabi niya, sauluhin mo yung taas, sauluhin mo yung baba.
Teamwork.
Ay, ganun din yung
makes the
strategy
dream
namin.
work.
Ay, ba't di kayo nanalo?
Oh! Tara!
Sabi ko sa'yo, wag mo hahamunin mga Las Piñeros, malaman kami pare. Ay, mas marunong ko yung mga tag-edit. Malupit nga kayo, talo naman kayo.
Alright, let's get the premium Dunkin' items. Congratulations sa ating winner, but to all of our other players, you may now go back to your seats. Maraming salamat po for playing! Thank you everyone! Salamat po! Hello, yes po, thank you for playing. You may now go back to your seats. Thank you po, salamat po. At ngayon, may pa-review tayo. Abby, pakita mo naman sa amin anong laman yan. Sige, hahawakan mo muna natin. Okay. Yes. So, let's reveal anong nasa loob ng bag ng Dunkin' Premium items.
Wow!
Wow! It's a bag! Five tumbler from Dunkin' and SB19. Congratulations! And thank you rin sa mga iba pang team for playing. Pero sa ngayon, ito na yung second part ng iyong prize. Photo with SB19 on stage! Ayun po ang ating official photographer. Please look there. And smile! Take a big smile for your photo with SB19. Worth remembering. Congratulations, Abby! You may now go back to your
Thank you,
seat.
Abby. Congratulations.
Thank you!
Thank you, Abby.
Maraming salamat. At thank you rin SB19 because
you.
right now, actually, I'm going to let you go at mag-prepare na kayo for your next surprise. So
Okay.
go ahead